Alright, so we're going to install one of these aftermarket truss bars. This one's by Bugpack, which is now empty. They make a few different brand names of these. There's a couple of guys that make them themselves, and there's a CSP makes one, and Bugpack/Empy makes one. So what we're going to do is we're going to start working on this. First thing you're going to have to do is you got to remove your shock, because it mounts through the shock bolts. So we're going to get that done right now and get our shocks dislocated, and then we're going to mount our little bracket for the rest of the truss bar. So we have our little brackets in that go off the shock tower. Now you need to get these little tabs in behind the motor mount here for the rear. You're going to have to take the motor mount off, slide these on the rear. I'm leaving everything loose so we can get everything installed, and then we'll be able to get everything centered and then tighten down the motor mount again so that we know which angle these need to be, and make sure they clear our other accessories back here. Alright, boys and girls, so the kafer bar. We already had our lower pieces installed on the transmission mount, and we took our shock bolts out and then slid on the bracket there, and then we put the bar across the back. Now the bar's on there and the down rods are coming down. Now all we got to do is tighten everything up, and once the motor's in there, puts a little weight on it, we'll tighten up the bars to set the preload on it. You don't want to go too crazy, because you can pull the whole motor and transmission up, and you can make it lean sideways with this setup. So you don't want to go cracking down too much on it. You kind of just got to see where it helps it and where it doesn't help it. Anyways, that's that. This is an older one. This is one made by Bugpack. It's actually a used one, so it's kind of old and fits a little different than the other ones. I do have an auto stick starter, and you can see it clears. They say it does not clear, but mine clears. So your results may vary. So if this has helped you any bit, see how a traction bar / kafer bar looks in the car. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.